Roadrunner is a reusable vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) operator-supervised autonomous air vehicle (AAV) with twin turbojet engines and modular payload configurations that can support a variety of missions. Roadrunner M is a high-explosive interceptor variant of Roadrunner built for ground-based air defense that can rapidly launch, identify, intercept, and destroy and relaunched at near-zero cost. Launch, loiter, return to base. Vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capability gives Roadrunner for recovery and reuse at near-zero cost. High subsonic speed and high G-force maneuverability. Roadrunner leverages cutting-edge advancements in AI and autonomy to enable a single operator to supervise many Roadrunners simultaneously. Roadrunner's open architecture enables interoperability with existing air defense radars, sensors, and architecture to provide a deployable capability today. Roadrunner M can take off, follow, and intercept distant targets. At the first hint of danger, Nest is a networked, automated hangar for easy transport, maintenance, and launch of Roadrunner, with existing air defense radars, sensors, and architecture to provide a deployable capability today.